Welcome to Information with Tshepiso. I am Tshepiso Rangwejana and you're tuned into another session of computer shortcut key systems that you can employ when using your computer for convenience and easy use of computers, right? Okay, I know I showed you how to select all items on a folder and then copy, or how to cut, how to paste, how to undo, and how to redo the actions that you would have done on the computer in the previous video. But now I want to show you how to do it on an email, right? Okay, let's go to our emails. Let's say you are here. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this is your email, right? Then you want to write an email to someone. You will say compose, and then you will type the person's email address. Let's just say Tshepiso. It doesn't know Tshepiso. It's okay. But yeah, let's just say that's the email address. And then here you want to write hello someone, someone. Okay, so you have written hello someone, right? And then you want to select someone and hello, but you don't want to use the mouse, right? So what you're going to be doing is to control all, right? So control A means you are now selecting all, right? And then if you want to copy, remember we said it's control C, right? And then if you want to paste it somewhere, let's say you want to go underneath, right? Now I'm teaching you more things. So if you want to go under this hello someone, you have to, because if you click here like this, if you click with the mouse, it won't take you below the hello someone. So what you need to do is now to click enter. Once you click enter, it puts your cursor under there or below the hello someone. Remember we copied, then we are pasting. To paste, we press Ctrl and V. We have pasted hello someone there, and then let's say we don't want hello someone, both hello someones, we don't want them there. Then we will select both of them. It's Ctrl A, and then how do we delete them? You can delete, and then let's say it was a mistake, you want those hello someone back. What do? To undo, you click Ctrl Z, and then the hello someone reappears. Okay, let's say now you want to write in Pretoria. Let's say, for example, you make a mistake, you write Pretoria, right? And then you want to remove the A, you just say undo, which is Ctrl Z. It will remove the I, Ctrl Z, it will remove the R, Ctrl Z, it will remove the A, right? But let's redo that. Let's say you don't want to use Ctrl Z, right, all through. It's a lot of work, or it takes a lot of time. You can go to backspace and then just cancel that, and then you write Pretoria. Okay, Pretoria, right? Okay, so we have now gone through how to copy, how to select all, how to redo, undo, and now I want to show you how to cut, right? And how to cut, if let's say, for example, you want to select Pretoria, but you don't want to use the mouse, you will do what? You will use the keyboard by clicking on Shift, you hold it, and then you start clicking on the arrow button that is pointing to the left, right? And then you move with it to the left until Pretoria is highlighted. Then you can cut with what? Ctrl X, right? and then that Pretoria is gone. Let's say you want to write it below hello someone in, you press enter, and then you press Control and V simultaneously. That's how you paste, right? Okay, let's do a recap on what we just did. So we were just writing, I wrote hello someone, and then after writing hello someone, I showed you how to select all, which is Control A, and then Control A, it selects everything, and then if you want to copy is Control C, and then if you want to have what you copied pasted here, you will have to come to the end of the A of Pretoria and press enter, and then you will then move to pasting that which you want, you just copied. You will click on Control V, it has pasted the stuff that you copied, but let's say you don't want the duplicate, right? Hello someone in Pretoria. You don't want this last part, this other part that you just pasted. You will use the shift key to highlight it by doing what? Because if you use Control A, it will highlight everything, right? But if you just want to highlight and remove the bottom part, you just click on shift, and then you use your buttons, your arrow buttons, the ones that's going up, to the left, to the right, or down, right? But in this case, because the cursor is at the end of Pretoria, we will have to be moving upward or to the left until we get to the part of hello over here, right? Cool. Okay, then I click on my shift, hold it, and then I will use the up button, right? You see it selects everything there for me that I want to delete, and then I can click on delete or backspace, right? Delete removes everything. Let's undo that and then redo the deleting. You can use the backspace as well. And then we are going to continue with more information in the next video of how to bold the information that you're typing, how to underline it, how to italize it, and so on. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Information with Tshepiso. I believe you have learned something in the shortcut key system of how to use your computers. This is Information with Tshepiso. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next upload.